Sprinter electric side door. Press B-pillar switch, door opens. Pull exterior handle, door opens. Press interior handle, door opens. Press front switch, door opens. Double unlock with key to open. Quiet, smooth electric sliding door. Fits new, old, long, medium, short wheelbase. Fits new, old, long, medium, short wheelbase. Fits new, old, long, medium, short wheelbase. Can stop at any position. And features anti-pinch. Ensures passenger safety. This electric sliding door. Handle slopes up to 13 degrees. Durable for at least 50,000 uses.